sa last 50 and walang-wala na talaga ako. Pero nung narinig ko yung cheer ng home crowd ko, dun talaga ako ginanahan to push further.
How was your time, Jazz?
My time was kind of high, pero okay lang po kasi I'm really proud na nauwi ko yung bronze for the Philippines.
Is this your first time to join the Asian age group?
Bali, second time ko na po. Yung first time is nung 12 years old ako sa India.
Wow, what happened in India?
Nung India naman po, hindi ako naka-medal doon sadly, but I'm happy na right now I got a medal.
What gives you motivation dito nga sa nangyaring panalo na to? Ano yung mga nagbigay sa'yo?
Like I said, what gives me motivation talaga is my supporters, my family, my teammates, my friends, everybody. I can see the whole Philippine swimming community really watching me and really cheering us on. So maraming salamat po talaga.